Well, hey guys and gals, old guy riding. I thought I'd do a follow-up on my little confrontation with the Pagan Motorcycle Club. They prefer club as to gang. I did a little research. Apparently they were upset with me for some reason. I did not know why, so I figured I would find out. So I went online, I watched some videos as far as motorcycle club etiquette, so you don't get into the same hassle that I got into. Not that it was a big hassle. It could have escalated, but it did not. But to keep you from harm's way, this is proper etiquette when you approach a motorcycle club. Any motorcycle club. Doesn't have to be a 1%er. When you approach a motorcycle club, you want to make contact with the captain or tail gunner. Once contact has been established, you give a little motion forward, just point forward, and this lets him know that you would like to pass. And when the time is right and when the time is safe, usually he will wave you by. As you're going by, do not speed by. Do not linger. You don't want to be mistaken for one of the pack. That would not be appreciated. And by all means, do not wheelie when you're going by. That will only get you followed and educated in some cases. When you go by, just go by at a nice pace. You can turn to the other bikers as you pass, give a little wave, give a little thank you for the courtesy of letting you come by. And once you get by the pack, just go about doing your thing. A lot of the clubs specify that it's a safety issue. If you come up onto a motorcycle club, the captain or tail gunner doesn't know you, doesn't know your ability, and he is just watching out for the safety of the group. I think in my case, they were all in the right-hand lane, I was in the left. He came into the left-hand lane and applied his brakes. When he applied his brakes, I applied mine. I didn't try and pass him. I didn't get up on his ass. I was content staying where I was. Then the SUV came up beside me and started giving me shit. So, in my case, I think it was a matter of respect. Apparently, they felt I disrespected the club. And maybe I did. I don't know. They do not teach motorcycle club etiquette in any of the courses I've taken. So now you know. That's what you do when you approach a motorcycle club. Doesn't matter if it's a 1%er club or just a regular motorcycle club. Now for a little added thing. I had a birthday on March 11th. I turned 71. For my birthday, I got a denim vest. I got a deadhead upper rocker because I'm a Grateful Dead fan, have been since the 70s. I got a 9-inch by 12-inch Grateful Dead red, white, and blue skull patch. And because I'm born and raised in Maryland, I got a Maryland lower rocker. After watching some videos on motorcycle clubs, I thought to myself, I better get this checked out and see if it's going to cause me an issue. So I got in touch with motorcycle clubs. One club, which was not a 1%er club, contacted me and said, yeah man, it sounds like it's going to be a good combo. However, you may catch some grief concerning the lower rocker. So I responded and I said, grief as in bodily injury grief, or grief as in harassment grief? The harassment I can take. Bodily injury, I'm not too keen about. His only response to that was, the 1%ers may not like it. Okay. That being said, I contacted some local 1%er clubs. I contacted the Pagans, I contacted the Thunderbirds, and I contacted the Chosen Sons. The Chosen Sons got back in touch with me. And the guy said, well, from what you're describing, even though you don't have the MC Cube patch, it still is a 3-piece. And you might not want to wear the lower rocker. So I got my vest out, I got the patches out, I laid the upper rocker on the back of the vest, and I laid the patch. I took a picture of it and I sent it to this guy and said, how's this? And he got back to me and said, that works. You shouldn't have any problem with that. Good luck. There were some friends of mine that I told this story to that weren't real happy. Said, you know, this is America. You should be able to wear whatever you want. And I told them, I said, I could wear it. But if I run across the wrong people, it could cause me some issues. And I just as soon not have that. Once again, I'm Old Guy Riding. Thanks for tuning in. I hope this has enlightened you on some do's and don'ts should you come across a motorcycle club. In the meantime, ride well everyone. Stay safe out there. I'll see ya.